Today we're checking out these WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors for the front and rear in dark smoke for the 2021 and newer F-150 SuperCrew. If you love driving with the windows cracked, but you're not a fan of getting blasted by that wind, rain, or road spray, this is one of the simple upgrades that makes your truck more comfortable every single time you drive, so they're definitely worth checking out. These are going to be in-channel side window deflectors, and that's going to be their best feature. They're going to install up inside that window channel instead of just sticking onto the outside of the door with tape. That's a big deal because it gives you a much cleaner and more factory-style look. And you don't have to worry about the exterior tape peeling, getting nasty, or messing with your paint over time. The whole point is letting you enjoy that fresh air even when the weather isn't perfect. So you can crack the windows in rain or snow, and the deflectors help redirect that water away from the opening instead of letting it dump into the cab. It's going to help on hot days because you can vent the truck when you're parked in a parking lot and let heat escape without having the windows wide open and have people seeing that you have the windows cracked. So it adds security and peace of mind. And in colder or humid weather, it can help with anti-window fogging since you're letting just a little bit of airflow move through the cabin and balance with the outside temperatures. And since this is a dark smoke finish, you're getting a subtle tinted look that cleans up the side profile and cuts down on glare while still keeping it low profile and not too over the top. WeatherTech also calls out the fact that the design is made to be tough and shatter resistant, so it's built to hold up to daily use and changing temps without being too fragile. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a very high-grade acrylic that's designed to resist chipping, shattering, and UV damage after prolonged sun exposure, so it's going to hold its shape and its finish for years to come. The in-channel design is made to fit your specific truck for a tight and secure install, and it's built to install without exterior tape, so you get that clean OEM-style appearance. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around the $100 price range. For a full front and rear set, that's a very solid value in my opinion, because you're getting a custom fit, in-channel setup that looks factory fresh and avoids the headaches that you can get with cheaper universal tape-on visors that don't quite fit right and they don't hold up long term as well as these will. Now, when it comes to the install process, this is going to get rated just a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour or even less of your time if everything goes smooth. So now let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you'll need either a paper towel or a microfiber cloth. Today we're going to be installing wind deflectors on our Ford F-150. Let's get into it. First, you need to roll down both your front and rear windows about 1.5 inches. After that, you're going to take a paper towel or a microfiber. You're going to wrap it around the provided tool. You want to clean the channels for both front and rear windows. Now it's time to install the wind deflectors. Before we do that, you just want to make sure that you have the correct ones for each side. So the front ones look like this, the rear ones look like this, and in the top right corner, you'll see an L or an R. You want to make sure you have that for the correct side. So we're on the left side, so we want to look for an L. And you'll just take this, just wiggle it in there. Next, you'll take your provided tool and clips. You want to pull down on the weather stripping, just like that. Going to take our clip, put it in, and push up. Same thing on this side, push up. Now it's time to install the rear deflector. So we'll take off the tape, or the backing for the tape. We'll start it off in the window like this. Now, when we get to this point, you want to make sure that these clips stay behind the deflector. Push up like that, in and up there. Lastly, you want to roll up your windows. After you've done that, repeat the same process on the other side And one thing I would like to mention, make sure that you do not open your windows for 48 hours. If you do, it's not going to bond correctly.
That wraps up our review and install of the WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors for the front and rear in dark smoke for the 2021 and newer F-150 SuperCrew. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.